He is 5-6 foot. He is plump. Plump. Yani ne kano ruka udo fulani. Dogiuga he is fat. Ni plump. He has a turbine. Turbine in his head. Turban. Oh, he's a Karango type. Yes.
Oh.
He's like a mohed. Mahana karadinga. Yes, he has a turbine.
Yes.
Arya, before he got saved.
Yes.
He was abusing people.
Calling them what?
Shaitani.
And now, what did they do? This was being called Shaitani.
Now he was calling people. Hey, I am building a church. Come and bring money. Now, these people
refused to bring.
Because instead of bringing...
Give me motion.
Instead of bringing a lot of money...
They brought little.
They give him little cash money. But he don't want that.
He want how much?
He want people, social media, never put there. Put money. On
which Facebook? On whose?
On the other turbine man.
The one for putting for sick people.
Yes.
Now I can connect.
Now you're connecting.
We talk English is when people can't connect much.
Yes.
Now they want his number. Put the other one for turbine. The one for
Yes, the one who I'm sorry of my house. That one.
Yes.
Take all my pictures.
Right, rest in peace.
Yes.
When I rest in peace.
If I die, I die.
If I rest in peace, I rest in peace.
Yes.
Now you want his number.
Yes.
Put on if I rest in peace.
Yes. Now, people, the other turbine.
Yes.
The one. Refuse.
Said and put for Miracle Baby instead. For someone who is serious.
Yes.
With the sickness.
With the sickness.
Yes.
Now this one, this other turbine. Now, the cry one.
Yes.
The he one. Yes. Said him money, cash.
How much?
10,000.
And him, we want how much?
Million. To build a tabernacle.
God.
Yes.
No, he doesn't have washirika to remove like our Radio of Rosary Catholic Church.
No.
For Molira.
He want the million first.
Yes.
He build a tabernacle. Then he do a launch. Then washirika come.
Then for he refused to put.
He put 10.
Gosh.
This one
now he's remaining 90,000.
Yes. Will he fight?
No. Fongi is in India already.
Now.
He cannot put launch for Rudu Amam online. Not possible.
No, not this other turbine man.
So now, what does the turbine man want?
The turbine man
me now.
Get angry. He go live.
But not at me.
Not you.
Okay.
But the other turbine.
He will sell my house.
Yes. He put. He called him Satan. These people have goma. I help them.
How did he help them?
Now he carry everyone. He carry even JCM. Me, I'm the idea
of what?
Of the store of God. I am the one who write song for the turbine for the crying. Yes.
Yes. There's no mogwe. There's no chua chua.
No mogwe is written by the other turbine
for this goma.
Yes. The Satan say
God.
Yes. Now this one is abuse. This one abuse.
Goma
Satan. I help you. You can't help me.
And I write you songs.
Yes. And the other one store my idea.
For the stuff.
He was even called by other radios. Yes. To give the testimony.
And he went. And he now want to come to this radio.
Now
those radio were not listened.
No, here is where the this is a national radio.
Oh, he went to Rocco Village Radio.
Yes.
He talked.
People
did hear.
They didn't.
I didn't also hear.
They say I don't talk about Tiki. didn't. And the church need to be opened.
So now,
before he came here, he
born again.
Now he born again. He swallowed all the saitani, all the goma.
Wow.
He became apostle.
God forgives.
Yes, God
forgives all sins.
Yes.
Even read as
Gakaraku.
Yes.
Gakaraku is
that one.
Now, he wants to come here.
Oh, here he can be listened.
Yes.
He wants to trade like a jelly for Boygai.
Yes. Now. Now.
Now. What is the question?
Now he is the question.
He is tagging.
Yes, he's tagging bloggers.
Yes.
Bloggers, Left, Right, and Center. Tell Muthoni, I want to be in his show.
I hear you.
Of Joria Akodi. Tell him I am born again.
He will not insult.
I'm apostle. And Satan cannot come from my mouth.
But now, here is the question.
Ask.
I hear.
Yes.
It is okay.
Yes.
This is Kameme Kayokamoige.
Yes.
But let me understand.
Yes.
Is it coming to empower listener or is it coming to talk about church and store?
That is a very good question.
You, person who reach Ohoro.
Yes. That is a very good question.
Yes.
But you are asking the wrong person. Yes.
Because you brought the news.
Yes.
Because today,
Yes.
I have Magesha.
Yes.
Higher. Tomorrow, I have a doctor.
Yeah.
Kwanza even for head.
Yes.
On that day.
Can you bring him tomorrow when you have the doctor for head?
Because I want to understand which show he wants.
Yes.
All of these shows are for my listeners.
Yes.
Thursday, I have Jorua for Kodhi.
Yeah.
If you're coming to give your inspirational story, to motivate millions, actually to be precise, about 25 million listeners all over the world, why not? But you can't come to say you are sent 10,000.
Now I
ask questions, then answer, then I'll consider. Definitely, this is not my station, it's for Kayo Kamoige.
I have answer.
Yes.
Right away. When I analyze the situation.
When you measure.
When I measure him.
Yes.
You said Wednesday you have doctor for
head.
For head.
Tomorrow.
Yes.
Counseling psychology.
Can you consider bringing him back to back? So that the doctor can listen.
Yes. Then approve.
He talk.
If he's ripe for Thursday.
He opened his heart.
Yes.
The doctor measures.
But tell me.
Yes.
He went to other kiosk radio.
Yes, he went.
What did he say?
He said, these people are the first. They are the musician is the musicians is
the enemy of the
musician. These people, they can't help you. they are devil.
Even on the radio for kiosk.
He's a devil.
God.
Yes.
Here we are born again.
They are devil. They stole my ideas. They don't want to help me open a tabernacle.
If we say that way, this one for there's no Mogwe, then he will refuse to come to give me.
Then he was not apostle.
Oh, now he's born again.
He's apostle.
When did he get saved?
I think it is 2 weeks ago.
That's okay.
2 weeks ago.
Then we can consider.
2 weeks ago. Now, my question is, who ordained him? Who? Who made him apostle? Or is it Facebook where you change your name?
No, you know, them for Taban, you are dreamt for. He was dreamt.
Who dreamt?
He was dreamt for.
By a dreamer.
Cowboy.
Kabori.
You stay like this at night.
Yes.
Then you hear Maraho the window.
They are passing by. And they talk.
They talk.
They tell you.
You are an apostle now.
Go and tell him he is an apostle.
Who told him?
Kabori.